Alright, I'm going to give you a sound clip through an iPhone of my exhaust system, both coming through. It's a full map, map down pipe, everything out through the back, no resonators on the system, and it's the cat delete. I'm going to start it up, back it out of that the garage there. Otherwise, all you're going to hear is it resonating in there, but I'll start it up with the thing fully closed, the Doug's electric exhaust cutout fully closed, and then once I get it backed out, I'll open it up, give it a few little revs. The car is warm. I just had it out. I drove it around for about 45 minutes. It's actually running pretty good, not stalling, dying, doing any of that, but there is no power. That's because it needs to be tuned. I only tried it once. It had nothing, so I just took it around to warm it up and boil everything off. Anyway, gonna attach you to my little 2021 Yamaha MT-09 SP, and on the handlebars there, and so you can hear what's going on. All right, here we go. Well, there you go. Hope it was worth it. Anyway, I got to get that thing tuned, talk to Ryan, and make that thing run. There you go. Hope you liked it.